This tutorial will be showing you how to delete search history on Safari online completely for free. If this helped, drop a like, share the video, and subscribe for more. Presets and effects for life, click the link down below and enjoy the tutorial. Okay, so the first step to delete Safari history, in this case, I'm just typing in something on Safari on iPhone device. This will also work for Mac completely for free. And basically, as you can see, we have two tabs currently opened. So let's say you don't want any of your YouTube history or any of your Google history, Yahoo history. I'm going to show you how to delete this in Safari. So the first step is to type in settings and then to click the settings icon or logo on your device. Once here, you want to scroll down to bring up the search bar next to the microphone and underneath settings. And then type in the app Safari, because in this case we want to delete the history on Safari. Now click the second option which says Safari. Now you want to scroll down until you see this option right here, which is below check for Apple Pay and share across devices, clear history and website data. And you want to click clear history and website data. You can read the terms and conditions. And then this will warn you if you want to close all tabs or keep the tabs. In this case, we'll click close tabs. Now if we go back to Safari, as you can currently see, your search history has been cleared online completely for free.